Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today, and thank you if you are a returning subscriber. Thank you very much for your love and just being here and supporting my channel. I really do appreciate you very, very much. So today we're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. I thought that this month was a really great month. Of course, I already looked at the box. But yeah, I wanted to share it with you guys anyway. So let's go ahead and get started. But before we do, please don't forget to like. That definitely helps my channel out a lot. And of course, subscribe if you have not already. You can also click on the little bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video, which is every single week. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. So just in case you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it is a subscription services, and this box was sent to me from Boxycharm. It is the base box for $25 a month, and you get 5 full beauty items. So it could be makeup or it could be skincare. So I do have a link for Boxycharm down in the description area. If you don't want to use my link, that's okay. Of course, there's no pressure, but if you do use my link, I really do appreciate it very, very much. So yeah, let's go ahead and do the unboxing now. So the first product that I apply to my skin is the Skin Ink, and it is called My Daily Dose of Uplift. This skin reviving serum with encapsulating collagen, coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid delivers an anti-aging power punch, giving you smoother, firmer, and younger looking skin. So this product retails for $65, and it comes in a glass bottle. It felt really nice and luxurious to the skin. It felt like you were applying water and your skin was just drinking it. It's just really, really nice product. I am definitely looking forward to continue on using this product. All right, so the next product that I applied was for underneath my eyes. This is from the brand Beekman 1802. It is called the Dewy Eye Illuminator Depuffing Eye Serum. Say goodbye to fatigue and awaken tired eyes with a highly concentrated, clinical proven eye serum. A powerful blend of active and goat milk quickly absorbs into the skin for hydrating that illuminates eyes while helping to fight the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. And I think that I really did a good job on depuffing my eyes, because you guys seen it. I have the biggest bags nowadays. It is insane. So this product right here, I really will test it again, because I really did see a huge difference on my under eyes. So I don't know if I got enough sleep. I didn't, because my 10-month-old still woke up like every 2-3 hours, and I am not getting enough sleep. So I really think that this product was really amazing, because I even saw myself in the mirror when I was driving to pick up my daughter from school, and I was like, okay, under eyes, you guys are looking kind of cute today. And I really think it's this right here, but I will continue on testing it. I'm just super excited that it's going to do, like, is going to hit all the targets that I am concerned, which is the puffiness, the darkness. So yeah, loving this product so far. By the way, that one retails for $42. All right, so the next product that I use is the Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. So I did use it today because I needed to do this video, but I am going to move it to my night skin care routine. And let me tell you, this moisturizer felt amazing. It's like my skin felt super soft, amazing. It's just so good. Like, I could not believe how great my skin was actually feeling after applying this moisturizer right here. So I am definitely going to move it to my night skin routine. Of course, I used it today underneath a makeup, and it worked. It definitely worked. But I am going to move it to my night skincare, just because it is a little bit thicker, and I like that for nighttime. And of course, it is an overnight, not during the day, Gerel, you know. So overnight moisturizer. So yeah, it retails for $74, which is insane. This is the $25 box right here. So the next product that I use is from Sophia and Mabel, the Hydrating Hybrid. It is between a lipstick and a lip balm. It felt so good, and that is what I have on my lips right now. Really, really, really nice. One product that I did not use is this one from Ciate London, and it is the Shadow Flip. This retails for $20. It reminds me a lot on the Natasha Denona liquid shadows, but less intense, just a little bit. So yeah, guys, that's it for the unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you next time.